and welcome to this measurement tutorial on length. To get from millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. To go from centimeters to meters, we divide by 100. To go from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. And to convert back to millimeters, we simply do the inverse. To get from kilometers to meters, we multiply by 1,000. To get from meters to centimeters, we multiply by 100. And to get from centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. Make sure you can understand and memorize this diagram for the 11 Plus exam. It's really important. Let's look at some examples. 10 millimeters divided by 10 is 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters divided by 100 is 1 meter. And 1,000 meters divided by 1,000 is 1 kilometer. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 Plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.